Wondering what to do with leftover bread and at the same time bored of regular bread recipes? Then it's time for you to watch my video till the end to learn a new recipe. Welcome back to Twisted Flavors to learn a new recipe with me, and before jumping into the recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get started. First, place a kadai on stove and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once oil is hot, add the seasoning ingredients or tadka ingredients. Those are mustard seeds, jeera seeds, chana dal or Bengal gram, urd dal or black gram, along with a pinch of turmeric. And here I am using finely chopped ginger too. Now add 2 medium-sized sliced onions and saute them till they cook. Then add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Mix and cook them for a minute. Now add salt to taste. One teaspoon chili powder and mix them. Close it with the lid and cook them till tomato becomes soft. Now pour quarter cup of water and mix them. And add half pack of sliced bread. Here I am using multigrain wheat bread, but you can use whatever bread available with you. Toss them very gently. Cook them for 30 seconds but not more than that. If not, bread becomes soggy. Take 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, add little water and make it liquidy. Add this liquid to the bread slices. Toss them gently so that the tomato ketchup and all the masalas coat evenly to the bread and cook them for about 1 minute. Now turn off the stove and garnish it with some spring onions or coriander or curry leaves, whatever you want, and have it hot. Close the kadai with a lid so that the garnish will cook in that steam. And that's it guys, our bread upma with just under 5 minutes is ready to have. And great and good news that you have learned a new recipe today with me. So don't forget to try this recipe and like, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.